आप देख रहे हैं ARTV चैनल।
डॉन हाई स्कूल मलकपेट में आज फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्लास के तलबा व तलबात के लिए लायंस क्लब इंटरनेशनल और HNR स्पीच एंड हियरिंग क्लिनिक के इश्तराक से तलबा व तालिबात की समात की जांच की गई। आइडियोलॉजिस्ट नेहा यादव ने ARTV चैनल के नुमाइंदे सैयद शाह से बात करते हुए बताया कि ऑटोकॉस्टिक एमिशन मशीन के जरिए बच्चों के सुनने की कारकर्दगी का मुआयना किया गया। जुमला 70 बच्चों का मुआयना किया गया, जिनमें 62 बच्चों का मुआयना दुरुस्त आया, जबकि 8 बच्चों को मामूली तौर पर मसला पाया गया। नेहा यादव के हाथों जांच किए गए बच्चों में सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन दिया गया। इस मौके पर डाउन हाई स्कूल के चेयरमैन फजलुर रहमान खुर्रम, राशिद हाशमी, डॉक्टर गुलाम अब्बास अहमद के अलावा दीगर भी मौजूद थे।
My name is Neha. I'm an audiologist. I have been working as an audiologist and speech language pathologist from last 15 years. We have a clinic in Panjagutta. This program has been in partnership with HNR Speech and Hearing Clinic and Lions Club Hyderabad. So we have been doing a free hearing checkup for students from class 1st and 2nd. The hearing screening is necessary for all kids from birth. That is because if we are being able to identify them at the right age, then the right intervention can start. And obviously, if the intervention is started, then the child can be given the hearing aids or speech therapy, whatever the treatment is required. So here what we are doing is that we are using an instrument which is called OAE, autoacoustic emission, and we are screening the kids for hearing.
So today in which school you have conducted the program and how many kids you have been scanned in that, how much students have been got program?
Okay, so today we have come to Dawn High School. We have tested almost 70 kids here, out of which I think 62 kids have passed the test and 8 kids have came as refer. Refer does not mean that they don't have a hearing. Refer means that they need a further management. It could be wax in the ear which needs to be removed, or could be any infection in the ear which needs to be checked. So those kids have been asked to come for the further management.
Sayyid Alina Mehdi. Tahura Fatima. Sayyida Faria Fatima. Sayyida Seher Mehesh. Rida. Afifa Zainab. Afifa Zainab. Zainab. Afifa Zainab. Aman. Sayyida Aisha Tasneem. Muhammad.
आप देख रहे हैं ARTV।